Hi, Stefan Swartling here. In this video I will show you a flip case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and this flip case is in Phantom Green, the same color as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. In the package the flip cover case comes and also a manual. Personally I think the flip cover itself is more green than the phone itself, even if it has the same color Phantom Green. I think the cover is more green. It looks at least more green. And on the back side you can see a strap, and this strap you can lock the case. So when you have it over the front of the case you can lock it in place. That's good to have, but when you use it you often don't need to lock the flip cover on the front, but you can with this strap. And the cover protects the camera bump on the back side of the phone. It can now lay flat on the table when the flip cover is on. It was very easy to mount this case on the phone, so it's a good designed flip cover case from Samsung. Looks really good. If you're in need of a case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, then this case is very good. But personally I don't use cases or covers on my phones nowadays because I want to experience the phone how it's meant to be experienced. So I want to have the phone exactly as the manufacturer wants it to be. So I use my iPhone 13 Pro Max now without a case, and I will continue doing so. Okay, so this was a short video showing you the Phantom Green flip cover case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.